Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Man, that looks good. I'm just getting video, I'm sorry. Are you cooling off? Can I come in? Wow, oh, this is solid. Nice job, whoever built it. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick for YouTube?
My name's Vence. I got two Crossfire Zv6 Zv510, Zv6 Coils D2s wired down at half on, 210 amp hours of C-Max, shitload of mids and highs.
So is this actual vents for heat or air? Wow, that's pretty cool. Man, is this like a 6th order design there? Wow, looks good. The only thing I'm curious of is the back panel wall. Does that roll over for the 6th order rear tuning? The back end over there? Okay. Wanted to see it a little bit better for the camera. Oh, okay. Got it. Looks good. Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. Quick little commentary. It's insane to see the amount of craftsmanship and fabrication work it took to get this system going. So everybody, be sure to give Vence a thumbs up. A really nice job. Let him know also in the comment section what you think about his system. Really appreciate y'all always commenting and watching. Also being daily subscribers for my daily videos. Really impressive job. I like the way he has air AC system as well. A lot of craftsmanship it took to take out the whole dash and add in a custom fab work layout there. But really nice job to be able to still make this a driving system and AC vents right there. So you're able to do that. And also the way the whole 6th order bandpass layout is with this 410-inch subwoofer system. Hard to see that back port there, but he did a really good job making that happen, whoever built it. Thumbs up to you, man. And the back amp rack, really straightforward and simple. I'm sure they did a good job with making sure the amps didn't vibrate with that dual amplifier system there. But be sure to give them a like if you haven't. Once again, thank y'all for watching all my daily cardio videos, and let's get to this crazy beast demo. He's going to give me 2 songs. Nice work. Looks good. Yeah, I love to hear it, man.
That's the only thing about fucking big
Oh yeah, you have to.
Rustical's fucking that.
Wow.
Hold on, man.
You're good, man.
Let me get you a better one, man. Gotta pay attention. DJ Smoke a little.
That full tilt sweep right there, I appreciate that, man. That was awesome. And that's
Pretty good
around
for
your.
tens.
That's really good for just a couple of tens, man. Really nice job. And everything. So who built? Was this Jester built this?
Jester,
or?
yep.
Very nice.
Comes Jester design.
The only thing I'm curious of is the back panel wall. Does that roll over for the 6th order rear tuning? The back end over there? Okay. Trying to wanted to see it a little bit better for the camera. Oh, okay. Got it. Awesome. Thank you very much for the demo. What was your name?
My name is Vence.
Awesome. Thank you. Jacob.
Jacob.
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.